My name is Colochos. Blah 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 blah. What is he doing? It looks weird. Totally. And have I got a deal for you? Have you ever wanted to be a real dog? Well then, now you can.
Chelsea, I'm following.
Yay! Is the confetti still going? Guys, stop the confetti! You guys aren't dogs. I can't use you as my test subjects. They're gone now. So long, suckers. Ow! My hand! Now to go deeper into the world of dogs. Now I'm a real dog. This was fun. I like playing ball, but where's my ball?